Okay, this question is Annie White graduated from college with a student loan debt of $32,000. The interest rate on this debt is 0.5% per month. If the monthly payments on this loan are $618.65, how many months will it take for Annie to repay the entire loan? So, as you can see in this question, a loan was taken, okay, and then this loan has to be repaid in a number of months. So a loan is $32,000. Okay, so this cash flow diagram is from the point of view of the lender. Okay, and Annie is paying back $618.65 per month. Okay, 1 2 3, and then after some months which we need to determine, this loan will be fully repaid, and the monthly interest rate is 0.5% per month. Okay, and this is the principal amount. Therefore $32,000 is the principal amount. This is the annual amount. We need to find the number of months in which the loan will be repaid. So need to find n. So there is a direct formula for finding the value of n, but what I remember is I know that P is equal to A into 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I into 1 plus I power n. So if you input the values in here, $32,000, A is 618.65, and it will be 1 point, because it is 0.5%, so it is essentially 0.005. So 1.005 power n, n is unknown, n minus 1, and it is 0.005 into 1.005 power n. So this equation can be solved for the unknown value of n, and let's simplify this equation first. So if I apply these calculations, so 32,000 divided by 618.65, that makes it this value, and then multiplied by 0.005, that makes it this value. So now I have this value like here. So it is, I can write it down, 0.2586, 0.2586 multiplied by 1.005 power n is equal to 1.005 power n minus 1. Okay, so what can be done over here is that I rearrange it again. So 1.005 power n minus 0.2586. So if I subtract from this minus 1, so that makes it 0.7413, 0.7414. Okay, so it makes it that makes it 0.7414, 0.7414 into 1.005 power n is equal to 1. So, or otherwise 1.005 power n is equal to 1 divided by 0.7414. So I can take the inverse power of this power. Let's okay point okay 1 divided by 0.7414, that is 1.348. okay, 1.3488, 1.3488. So from here, if you take the logarithm of both sides, so n will be equal to log 1.3488 divided by log 1.005. so that will give the value of n. So let's calculate it again. Okay, so take the log okay, so this calculator doesn't work like this. So 1.3488, take the log, divided by okay 1.005 log. Okay, so that is 59.99 or 60 is the approximate. Since we have done some rounding of error, I think the answer will be probably very close to, even more close to 60 months. So therefore it will take 60 months to repay this loan. Okay, 60 months. Okay, so so here I would like to mention that if, for example, when you do these questions where you have to find the period, okay, and then you need to round it up, and then you need to answer according to the question. So for example, how many months it will take to repay the loan. So for example, if you get an answer equal to like here 59.13, so you will still round it up to 60 months, because in 59 if you say that 59 months, because it is near to the 59.13 is near to the 59, so essentially in 59 months you will not be completely able to repay the loan. So if you want to completely repay the loan, you have to go for the next month. So therefore we are rounding it up irrespective of what we have got the answer, whether it is 59.99 or 59.13. okay, so rounding up is the correct choice in this case.